Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to do an unbox of this mini speaker which I get it from Huawei retail shop at City Mall. Inside the box I can get the warranty card here, the guideline of this mini speaker, and inside the box they also come with this to hang your speaker and the charger cable. It does not come with the adapter, it just only cable. Alright, so this is the speaker. See how small is it, and let's see how it works and how's the sound. Now I already pair it with my laptop, and let's play some song and see how it goes. And I just found out that they have a bass, small mini bass at the bottom, and let's see and listen how the sound is.
But one of these things is not like the others, like a rainbow with all of the colors. Baby doll, when it comes to a lover, I promise that you'll never find another like me. Oh, 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 oh. I'm the only one of me, and baby, that's the fun of me. Nobody's gonna love you like me. I know I tend to make it about me. I know you'll never get just what you see, but I will never bore you, baby. And there's a lot of lame guys out there, and when we have a fight out in the rain, you went after me and called my name. Never wanna see you walk away. There's a lot of lame guys out there. One of these things is not like the others. Living in a winter rain and your summer, baby doll, when it comes to a lover, I promise that you'll never find another. I know I tend to make it about me. I know you'll never get just what you see, but I will never bore you, baby. And there's a lot of lame guys out there, and when we guys out there, one of these things is not like the others. Living in a winter rain and your summer, baby doll, when it comes to a lover.
Oh my god, do you guys heard it? The sound is so nice, although I maximize it, and it's loud enough. And this mini speaker really surprised me with this price, which cost me about 99 ringgit Malaysia, and I bought it at City Mall, Huawei retail shop. You guys can go and get one. It really will surprise you, and the sounds really look good and loud enough. And don't forget they have a mini bass here at the bottom. I love it. So my YouTube video will be here today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys like my video, just hit the subscribe button and help me to share around, and also comment below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.